Hello, my dear friends and students. Good morning. Today, let us learn 10th class maths polynomials 2.2. In this 2.2, in first sum, first bit let us learn. First bit let us learn. Yes, let us read. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials. You know what are quadratic polynomials? If x square 2x square plus x plus 7 is equal to 0, it is quadratic polynomial because the highest power is 2. So it is what is it is? It is plus x square plus x plus 7 is equal to 0. It is cubic polynomial. The highest power of the polynomial is 3. Here highest power of the polynomial is 2. It is called quadratic polynomial. Yes, it is quadratic polynomials. Polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. We have to find the relationship between coefficients and zeros. That means we have to zeros we have to find out, and to find out the coefficients, that formula we have to write, whether it is any related one, whether it is equal or not, like that the relation we have to find. Are you able to understand? Yes, let us start. Yes, the problem is this. Problem is here let us write here. X square minus 2x minus 8. Yes, it is the problem. Now we have to find the zeros. We have to find the zeros. You might have already learned in the 9th class how to find the zeros for the quadratic polynomial. Yes, how many zeros will be? 2 zeros. For that, a pattern is there. What is that? We have to find the coefficients of the first one and last one. That means what is this? Constant and x square coefficients we have to multiply. Let us multiply. X square coefficient, what is? Nothing is there, means only 1x square. That means 1x square. 1 into 1x square into 8 is equal to 8x square. We multiplied the first one, first term and last term. Yes, this is to be splitted. This is to be splitted. This is to be, we have to find the factors of this 8 square. Now what we have to find? We have to find the factors. How do we have to find the factors? When we add those two factors of this 8x square, that must be equal to the minus 2x. That is to the middle term. This is the splitting method. That means we have to split it. Let us see how x square 2 factors in a way of 2 factors. Let us separate it. 1x into 8x. How much? 1x into 8x square. That means 1x into 8x. That is 1 into 188. X into x square. 8x square. Is it into 8x square? But these two factors, how it must be equal to the middle term when we add. When we add, it must be equal to the middle term. Let us add 1 plus 8, 9, but minus 2 is there. Let us minus it, minus 1 plus 8, 7x. No, 2x is there. Let us see, minus 8 and 1x, 1 plus 1, that means there are only minus 7x when we add. It is not possible. It is not possible. Let us 2x into 4x. 2x into 4x. Yes, 2 4s are 8. x into x, x square. Yes, it is 2 are the factors of the x square. Let us add 2 plus 4, 6. Now, yes, minus 2 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, how much? Plus 2. But here minus 2 is there, isn't it? We have to get the minus. So it must be minus. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2, isn't it? Like that we have to split. Yes, let us see. Minus 2x plus what is plus 4x. We can split like this. Minus 2x plus 4x plus 4x. That's not minus plus 2x minus plus minus 4x minus 4x. Isn't it? That means 2x minus into plus minus 4x. Like that we can split. Yes, I am right. Let us write x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. How do we get plus 2x minus 2x extra? Because first term into last term we found the product. That for that product we found the factors. Those factors we add how in such a way in order to get minus 2x. Like so we have written like this. Are you able to understand? Yes. Now let us group 2 to 1 group. 2 to 1 group. Like that we grouping it is. 2 to 1 group, 2 to 1 group. Let us group it. Yes, x square plus 2x, one group, and another one minus 4x minus 8 is the another group is equal to 0. Are you able to understand? Yes. In this x square plus 2x, common what is? X is the common. X is the common. Yes, x plus 2. Already we x brought out. X plus 2. And in this, how do we bring out this to such a way, in such a way as we get x plus 2 in the bracket? How do we, what do we brought out in this? What do we bring out in this? In such a way, x plus 2 must be in the bracket. Yes, that means we have to bring out minus 4. Minus 4, what is there? X. When we multiply minus 4, we have to get plus into minus into plus minus 4 into x, 4x. Is correct or not? Yes. Next, plus in 8, 4 brought out, 2 is there. You see, minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. Alright, is equal to 0. Let us see what are it is in these two brackets same. So remaining is x minus 4 is 1 and minus 4 and another one in the of these two. Let us take 1. X plus 2 is 1, that is equal to 0. Let us separate it. X minus 4 is equal to 0. In the same way, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, x value we have to find. When we x is equal to minus 4, when go to the other side, it becomes plus 4. X is equal to 4. Here, x is equal to, when plus 2 goes to the other side of the is equal, it becomes minus 2. Yes, these two are the zeros of the polynomials. What we found, zeros of the polynomials, we found here. That means these values of the x, if we substitute in this polynomial, the polynomial becomes 0. The polynomial becomes 0. Let us verify. X is equal to 4. 4x square means 16x square. 16. Here, 4x is equal to 4. 4 into 4, 16. Yes, 2 into 4, 8, minus 8 and minus 8 and minus 8, 16, minus 16 and it is plus 16, it becomes 0. When you substitute minus 2 in the place of the x, you get the same, you get the 0 here. You verify, yes. One part is over. What is one part? We found the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Are you able to understand? I am telling very slowly and at the same time in such a way as you understand well. Next, what is find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials. Up to here we did. Next, and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Yes, let us verify. What is when we add the zeros. Yes, that is not. Let us add. In order to find the coefficient, there are some rules. In order to get sum of the zeros, what is the formula? Minus coefficient of x it is x by coefficient of x square, that is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Coefficient, it is not minus, coefficient of x square. That is what when the sum of the zeros formula. Yes, let us see. So sum of the zeros, let us find. What is sum of the zeros? In these two, let us find. Is sum of the zeros 4 plus 2. Yes, 4 plus minus 2 is the sum of the zeros. 4 plus minus 2 means 4 minus 2. In the 4 minus 2, if we subtract, 2 is the answer. Yes, as per the formula, we are seeing the relations, whether there any relation or not. Yes, minus coefficient of x. Yes, in this quadratic polynomial, what is the coefficient of the x? That means it is x. This coefficient is it is. That means minus 2. Minus is in the formula C. Minus is in the formula. Coefficient of the x, what is coefficient of the x? Minus 2. Yes, let us write minus 2 by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. It is x square. X square coefficient what? Nothing means x square means 1x square. 1 is the coefficient. That is. Let us see. Minus into minus plus 2. 2 by 1. That is equal to 2. Yes. Relation is correct or not? When sum of zeros we found, as we get here, x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2, the sum of the zeros is equal to, here as for the formula, what is coefficient formula also, we got the same answer. That is the relation. Yes, product of the zeros let us find. Yes, sum of the zeros we found. Now product of the zeros. Let us see. Sum of the zeros we found. Product of the zeros. Yes, what are the product of the zeros? 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2. That is, these are the two zeros. 4 into minus 2 means minus into minus, minus into plus minus, 2 into 4, 8. That is we got. Yes, how we get as for the formula? What is the formula? Constant term formula. Constant term by coefficient of x square. That is constant term by coefficient of x square. As for this formula, let us find. As for this formula, we get minus 8. Let us see. As for this formula, constant of term, constant term. It is the constant term. What is minus 8 here? It is minus 8 by coefficient of x square. The coefficient of the x square, what is here? X square coefficient is only 1. 1 x square means 1x square. 1. Let us see 1. Yes, let us strike off it. 1 in the minus 8 goes minus 8 times. Minus 8 times it is. Here also minus 8. Here also minus 8. Yes, in the formula also same answer, and as for the coefficients we found zeros of the coefficients. Like that also we found the same. That is the relation. Like that you have to show it. What you have to what you get here is simply I tell you in Telugu. First we found the coefficients. Etla coefficients, a split, middle term split. How do we get them? First one and last one we have to multiply. First one coefficient to last term. Yes, first one coefficient, what is coefficient? 1. 1 in 8 to 8 x square 8x square. దీన్ని స్ప్లిట్ చేసాం. హౌ డు వి స్ప్లిట్? ఆ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 8x square రావాలి. బట్ ఆ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే మిడిల్ టర్మ్ రావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ఎస్. హియర్ 1x square it is not we did not get. Yes, 2 into 4, 2 into 4 x into x square, 2 4s are 8x square. These two are the factors. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే minus 2x రావాలి. యాడ్ చేసాము, 2 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే 6 వచ్చింది. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాము, 2ని 4 తీసేస్తే 2ని వచ్చింది, minus 2 రావాలి. అంటే 4x కి మైనస్ లెటర్స్ రైట్. ఇప్పుడు 4x ప్లస్ 2x, అప్పుడు అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? minus 2x వస్తుంది. ఎస్, లెటర్స్ రైట్ టు దీస్ టూ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. దీని ప్లేస్ లో ఈ రెండు రాద్దాం. ఈ రెండు రాసినా కూడా అంతే కదా. ప్లస్ 2 అండ్ minus 4 is equal to minus 2 కదా. ఈ రెండు రాసిన there is no change at all. అప్పుడు let us group it. రెండుగా గ్రూప్ చేసాము. ఆ గ్రూప్ చేసేస్తే ఇందులో కామన్ గా ఉంది x బై 2 తీసేస్తే x ప్లస్ 2. మరి ఈ x ప్లస్ 2 ఈ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఎట్లుందో ఇటు కూడా బ్రాకెట్ లో ఆ విధంగా ఉండేటట్లుగా చేయాలంటే -4 బై 2 తీసాము. -4 బై 2 తీస్తే x ఉంది. మళ్ళీ మల్టిప్లై చేసినా కూడా ఎట్లా రావాలండి? మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్, 4 ఇంటూ x 4x వచ్చేసింది. ఎస్, మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 4 ఇంటూ 2 8 వచ్చేసింది. ఎక్స్ రెండు వచ్చింది. ఒకటి x minus 4, x minus 4 ఒకటి వచ్చింది. x plus 2 of these two let us take 1. x plus 2 ఇది ఒకటి వచ్చింది. x minus 4 is equal to x is equal to minus 4 అటు వైపు పెడుతుంది కాబట్టి x is equal to 4. x plus 2 is equal to 0. x is equal to కనుక్కోవాలంటే plus 2 goes to that side minus 2. Now we found the relation between sum of the zeros, coefficient of the zeros. కోఎఫిషియన్సీ కను సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది జీరోస్ కి రిలేషన్ కనుక్కుంటున్నాం. మీరు హెడ్డింగ్ రిలేషన్ అని ఇక్కడ రాసేసుకున్నా కూడా సరిపోతుంది, బాగానే ఉంటుంది. రిలేషన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది జీరోస్ ఇక్కడ 2 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ టర్మ్ ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫార్ములా మనం రావాలి. మైనస్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్. మైనస్ ఫార్ములాలో ఉంది. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x కోఎఫిషియంట్ -2 రాసాము. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్ 1 అని చూసుకున్నాము. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ బై 1 2 వచ్చింది. ఇది ప్రోడక్ట్ కూడా అంతే. నా 4 ఇంటూ -2 ఏమవుతుందండి? మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 4 ఇంటూ 2 8 -8 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫార్ములా చూసుకున్నాము. కాన్స్టెంట్ బై కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్. కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ మనకు? -8 ఉంది. -8 x స్క్వేర్ లో ఇది 1 కొట్టేసేస్తే -8. ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చింది కదా. yes, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.